Hey, what's going on guys? This is Prabhat back with another video, and in this video I will teach you guys that how you can download latest movies as well as old movies in your Android device or in your PC with the help of torrents. So as you guys know that lots of torrent websites are now blocked and you can't use them, but there are still many which you can legally use. So without wasting any more time, let's get started.
Turning this going thing.
The applications which we are going to use in this video are UC browser and uTorrent. You can easily find it on Play Store. We are using UC browser because it has ad blocker. You can use any web browser which have ad blocker in it, so it can block annoying ad which comes in torrent websites. So you need to open your browser and then you need to go to Google. In Google you have to search for the Pirate Bay. So this one, the first link, it says the Pirate Bay proxylist.org. so you need to select this one. Here you can see lots of torrent websites which are online and you can legally use them to download your games, to download movies. So I will select first one, and here you need to search for the movie which you want. So in my case it is Top Rider. So you can see here the main thing is Cedar, and then the movie size which you can see right here, it is 1.89 GB. So if you have decent connection, then you can download movies of size at least like 1 GB or 2 GB depending on your connection. It will take that much time. So make sure the seeders are more than 100 so that it will give decent speed, so that it will download fast. So here are the seeders, you can see on right side, and the size here as I said. And so I will select this one, Top Rider 2018, 720 pixel and English. So make sure you download the right language. If it's English, so download in English if you want it in English, and make sure you see the size. Don't download webcam videos, they are not clear. So I will select this one. So here you need to click here, get this torrent, and open uTorrent if you're using it first time, and then you have to give it access like the storage access, and I guess you have to accept terms and conditions, whatever it is. So after that, click on get this torrent, and it will start adding. So I have already added, as you can see it is downloaded 21%. so once it is downloaded, you can tap on the movie and it will start in your media player, or you can go to your download section and then you can search for your movie or the video which you are downloading. If it is downloaded, then tap on it, then select your media player and you can watch the movie. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and guys, if you have any question, make sure you comment down below. My name is Prabhat and I'm signing out.